Hello guys, welcome back with me, Ciao 2025. Today, we're going to go back to basic. I will tell you how to do inpainting in ComfyUI. First, you need to load the checkpoint. Add load checkpoint. Make sure to select inpainting model. In this example, I use absolute reality inpainting model. You could use the model VAE or load your own VAA. Since most people use VAE from the model, I will also use the model VAE. Next, we need the prompt. Add clip text encode node for the prompt. Add 2 for positive and negative prompt. Connect the clip in load checkpoint to positive and negative prompt. We also need load image for image that we want to use as source image. Add load image nodes. Add or select the image.
Also add VAE encode for inpainting.
Unlike regular VAE encode, this thing has mask input. This will convert our image into latent while add noise to the mask area. Connect the image from load image into pixels in VAE encode for inpainting.
Connect VAE from load checkpoint into VAE and VAE encode for inpainting.
Connect mask from load image into mask in VAE encode for inpainting. Next, we add K-samplers node. This thing will generate the image. Connect model from load checkpoint into model in K-samplers. Connect conditioning in positive prompt into positive in K-samplers.
Connect conditioning in negative prompt into negative in K-samplers.
Connect latent in VAE encode into latent image in K-samplers. Set up the K-sampler setting according to you and your model preference. Add VAE decode node. This will convert latent into image. Connect the latent in K-samplers to samples in VAE decode. Connect VAE from load checkpoint into VAE to VAE decode. Add preview or save image. Connect VAE decode output into the preview image or save image. The workflow is finished. To do inpainting, click the load image. Right-click it. Select Open in Mask Editor. Now you could do the masking process here. Select the opacity and the thickness. Left-click to add mask. Right-click to remove mask. When you are done, click Save to Node. In vague encode for inpainting, set Grow Mask by according to your preference. This will increase the mask according to the number you're set. Add any condition that you want. Make sure to adjust the dead noise according to your preference. 1 mean that all the mask area will be changed without caring for the original image. 0 mean there will be change on the mask area. Choose B20, the number. Anyway, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you again on the next episode. And have a nice day. Please subscribe.